welcome back to a brand new vlog here on my channel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. So Estefania back here, where is she? Estefi back here was craving, what's the pasta called? Rotini. Rotini pasta, which is, so rotini pasta is the pasta that has like bell peppers, what else? Onion, cucumber, olives. But yeah, we're at the Save Bar right now. We're gonna get off real quick and then head to Anais' house. That's where we're gonna make the pasta and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned so you can learn how to make pasta. We have the goods right here. We have all the pasta ingredients. We're at Anais' house now, guys. Let's go ahead.
Let me just
come on in, y'all.
come on in.
Start cooking. Ooh, I love the lighting.
Yeah, broccoli.
Oh, dang it, we did. Mia, why did we forget to get broccoli, love? Here's Anais' dog. She's Anais' pride and joy. Okay, so the ingredients we're gonna need are olives. Xoxo and I are the only ones that like olives, so we're the only ones gonna eat that. We have Italian dressing. We have cherry tomatoes, cucumber, orange, yellow, and red bell peppers, a whole onion, and we got the tricolor rotini, which is a little more fun than just the plain one. And we forgot the broccoli, but I think Anais trying to see if they have some.
I don't have broccoli.
Darn.
I think we have some. We can go buy some at the store.
If you guys want to, I mean, we don't have to, but. So we have Anais on bell pepper juice.
That is
Stiffy.
always there with you. You need to give it some nutrients too.
Stiffy on pepino cucumber duty. This is the whole reason why we're eating this, guys, because she was craving it, so we had to do it. Yeah. Special. And then we have the tomatoes. I just cut the cherry tomatoes. I think I'm gonna start with the onions. Okay, I just had Josue help us cut the onion. I'm gonna cut this last piece of bell pepper. We chopped this off already. Bell pepper is done. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the pasta to our water. It's already boiling, so we're gonna add the whole box for now. Yes. How fun does this look? This is so much better than plain rotini. So excited to eat. We just put everything in here. So this is what it should look like. We mix the peppers, the rotini pasta, the bell pepper, right, so that tomatoes. What else did we put in here? It's funny. Onions. And now we're gonna put our Italian dressing. That's the ingredient of this. I mean, the main thing is the Italian dressing. I think this is what gives it, of course, the flavor.
Hey!
You're so rude, Steffi. Now we're just gonna mix it around. So go ahead and serve ourselves. Literally, guys, the easiest like dinner you can ever make. Super delicious, healthy-ish. You can even change the pasta to like whole grain to make it better. Here's our meal. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so delicious. How does it taste? What's way? Is it good?
Sounds fine.
Yeah, try it, Steffi.
I'm gonna get so fat right now.
Shut up.
Let's see. My stomach's gonna explode.
Explode.
Because everything can't give them the bottle.
No, and no one drinks out of bottles anymore. We love your thought process. How is it?
So good.
So delicious. Movies be like. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you thought about this recipe, if you've tried this or how you make it differently. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!